Every now and again, you get a bit of news that just makes you happy. And the other day, I found out that Pinterest is actually sorting itself out. They're taking on the battle to stop AI slop. So I used to love Pinterest because it was really great for looking at people's art and searching for reference images and getting inspiration. What's really nice is that if you picked a piece of art to look at, it showed you lots of other pieces that were very similar. But alas, it was taken over with waves of AI art slop, reams of images that looked kind of the same. And as I was looking through for inspiration, I was met with a lack of imagination and repetitive slop served up to me. Well, things have changed and my excitement is returning. You can now set Pinterest to stop showing you AI images. It's not foolproof, but certainly is helping, and it's a step in the right direction, in my opinion. So in order to do this, what you'll need to do is follow these steps. So if you're on a desktop, then go to the bottom left corner to the settings cog, into Refine Recommendations. Then in the middle at the top, there's an option for Gen AI Interests. Just untick all the options and you'll get a cleaner feed. For mobile, it's slightly different. I'm on Android here. You go to the profile button at the bottom right, then click on your actual profile at the top left. Then again, you'll see Refine Your Recommendations, and then swipe across the top to Gen AI Interests once again and untick everything. I'm not sure when it's getting implemented for iOS, but apparently it's on its way. It might even be there now, and it's most likely to be very similar, I would have thought. Like I said, it's not foolproof. Apparently, as I understand, Pinterest will remove any work that's labeled AI, obviously, but it also has ways of detecting AI, although I'm a bit dubious about the effectiveness at this moment. For me, this is an interesting development because Pinterest has obviously seen a decline in its users because of the AI slop, no doubt. And if they are losing users, then obviously they're losing money because advertisers won't pay as much to be posted on their site. This shows the limitations of AI in its current form. I found it really detrimental to my experience on the app, and I pretty much stopped using it. And you probably heard the term AI slop being used all over the place, so it's obviously affecting other places as well and destroying the user experience. So will other sites and social media platforms follow suit? Since the changes, I am now using Pinterest again and enjoying finding original ideas and pieces. So like I say, I'm quite happy about it. I remember ArtStation very early on with the AI image generation took steps to stop AI taking over its site, and I think it made the right choice at that point. Let me know if there's any other sites that you've seen that really have been taken over by the AI slop, and any that you know of that have fought against it. Also, let me know what sites you're using for references and inspiration if you've got any different ideas from what I've mentioned here. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.